Hello, my name is Walter Kennedy, and what follows is my concept for the replacement of 1,000-year-old traditional music notation. Here are the key problems. Note rest value notation is inconsistent. The notation for whole notes, quarter notes, half notes changes for eighth notes, 16th notes, etc. As well, the quarter rest appears to have been designed by a drunkard. This is absolutely terrible. In traditional notation, due to accidental signs, clefs, and key signatures, each position on the staff can refer to completely different notes, creating confusion and complicating the system. And due to a significant number of early uses of traditional notation being from Italy, the symbols for tempo are in Italian. Most of the world does not speak Italian, obviously. For rhythm, the solution is simple. Create a system where note value changes with a regular notation. For rest, use the same note values, but denote their difference with a symbol. The new system uses a circle as a base, adding on successive slashes and shading to have the notation. Top parentheses can also be added to have the notation. Rests are denoted by enclosing a normal note with parentheses, and can be put anywhere on the staff, though preferably in the middle, around D or D sharp. Accents and staccatos work the same, though they are placed underneath the note instead of above, due to stuff taking out other spaces. And also you can dot notes to add an extra half value to them. Here the solution is somewhat more complicated. To fix the main problems, we need each position on the staff to represent a certain note. Counting accidentals, there are 12 notes in the chromatic scale, therefore we need a staff with 12 locations. The new staff uses 4 lines per octave, with 3 positions per line. Note on top, note on the line, and below the line. Key is denoted by just writing the name of the key, greatly simplifying everything. Which octave you're in is denoted by the new clef design. Basically, 3 circles stacked on top of each other. If you go down from the middle, you shade the top half. You go up, shade the bottom half, and just keep shading as you keep increasing or decreasing octaves. Middle C is, of course, in the middle. Major scales are standardized across all keys, following the same pattern of notes ascending. Going up 2 spaces, then 2, then 1, 2, 2, 2, and 1 spaces from the keynote. For going beyond the staff, ledger lines still exist, following the principles of the new staff. For tempo, we only need a relatively simple solution. While most of the world doesn't speak Italian, most of the world can understand Arabic numerals and the concept of minutes. Therefore, write beats per minute in Arabic numerals and set it to a standard note value. With a new system, we just have how many times per minute a note occurs and the note. Very simple. For time signatures, we have, instead of say a 4 for a quarter note on the bottom, we have an actual quarter note, while the top of the time signature works the exact same as before. Thank you for watching and considering these ideas.